So I just got this bike the other day. Turn signals are all snapped off. So I picked up some off of Amazon and I'm gonna put them on. Hope you guys enjoy. So I have some zip ties to tie the wires together when I'm done. I have a 14mm wrench to install the new lights, and I've already taken off the old lights. A lighter and 2 levels of shrink tubing to give good protection on the wire. Small strippers, and here's my 2 new lights. Now you can see on this there's 3 wires, and on the old ones there was only 2. So it doesn't have any of these connectors under there. So I'm going to just snip those off so we can just wire them together easy. So you just pull the nut off like that. And you feed your wires through. Make sure the sheath is like well stuck in there. And you just feed your nut back over the top of the wires. Tighten it up. So we got this 14mm wrench for. Don't need to tighten it real tight. Just want to snug it. And then we're using the yellow and black. So I'm going to peel it back about a 1/2 inch. Just trim the tips of these wires a little bit. Okay. Now we take 2 pieces of white shrink wrap, which is the smallest shrink wrap I have, and I put one on each wire, and then I'm going to take a red and put over both wires to seal them both together. And I'm going to just slip it over the white one too, so it's easier to work with. Have all these ready. Now I just kind of like to spread the wires out a little bit on both sides so they intertwine pretty good. And just twist them up. Ultimately you would have like a solder iron and solder these together. And I just fold it back on itself like this, and then we'll just shrink wrap the connection. Just move the lighter nice and even so it doesn't scald. Just work it around a little bit. Smaller size would be better. It's not sealing really fantastic, but this will work. Just repeat that process. We'll just pull a red shrink wrap over the whole cluster and seal it right together. There we go. Now a couple of zipper ties underneath to pair it together, and that'll be fantastic. I'm going to test this one out, and then I'll put the other side on and show you how they both work. Well guys, that was a simple, easy installation. I will drop a link in the description for where I got those lights. Now that I have turn signals, I'm going to go take a ride. Till next time, keep rolling with the random.